Hello children, today I want to discuss about Roman numerals, which is another part of the first chapter, that is number system. You know that the digits which we are using, like 1, 2, 3, 4 including 0, all are called Hindu Arabic system. But you know that it is not only the one system, some other system also we are using, that is called Roman numerals. And these Roman numerals are used in different purposes. You have seen in clock we are using Roman numerals, and in school also you see that classes like 3, 4, 5, 6 all are in Roman numerals. Now question is, numerals, that numerals which were used to represent numbers, these numerals are symbols written for numbers using the 10 digit, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 10 and other numbers are represented by using place value system, which I already discussed in previous video, that is in international system, Indian system, already you know in class 4 5 also. This system of writing numbers is called Hindu Arabic system. But Hindu Arabic system is in use so far, but it is not only the only system available. So many other symbols, other system also available. Now one of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals, and this system is still used in many places, like on clocks, numbering, chapter in books, and it is also used in classes in school. Now today I am going to discuss what are the rules to write the Roman numerals. So for that you see the symbol first. Close. The symbols used for numbers in Roman systems are 1, you know in Hindu Arabic it is 1, and in Roman it is just like I. 5 is written as V. 10 is like this X, capital X. 50 like L. 100 like C. 500 D, and 1000 M, which you know in class 4 5 also. Now today I am going to discuss some rules. Now some rules for writing other numbers. These are only the basic system, basic symbols. Now first rule is, a symbol can be represented to maximum of 3 times and its value is added. You already know this, but there is one exception, like V, that is 5, L, that is 50, and D, that is 500, cannot be repeated. It is very important, cannot be repeated, but other symbols can be repeated. Now see example how to write. Like you know that 1 plus 1 is 2, and that means I plus I, 2I means 2. 10 and 10, that is 10 and 10, if you add then it is 20. 3 times we can add 10, that is 30. But you can't add 4 times, because already I told in rules can be repeated to maximum of 3 times. So 3 times is allowed, not 4 times. So for 40 we can't write x, 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 x. For 40 another system is there. Now rule number 2 is, when a symbol of lower value is placed on the right side of the symbol of higher value, then its value is added. For example, V and I. V means 5 and I means 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. But remember, this I should be less than 5. So this I value is 1, that is less than 5. That when it is written on right side, then it is added. Like L, X, V. L means 50, X means 10, and 5, V means 5. So total if you add, then you get 65. Now third rule is just opposite. When it is written on right side it is added, and written on left side then subtracted. That is the rule number 3. When a symbol of lower value is placed on the left of a symbol of higher value, then its value is subtracted. For example, like I and V. If I is written before V, that means I means 1 and V means 5. That means 5 minus 1 is 4. And if X is written before L, that means X means 10 and L means 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So 40 is written is XL. not x, 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 x 4 times. Like that, xc, c means 100 and x means 10, so 100 minus 10 is 90. But vc you can't write, that is from c we can't write v, okay, because these symbols are not written. That is the rule number 4. The symbol v, l and d are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That means v, l, d are never subtracted. So that's why vc is not allowed. From c, that is 100, you can't subtract 5 and it is not 95, because remember this v, l and d cannot be written before any higher value. Now I am giving some examples. There are three type question actually coming in exam. First two are direct question, that is Hindu Arabic system is given, you have to convert into Roman. Like 25, 20 means x and 5 means v. Like lxv, that means l means 50, it is 10, 5, 65. This is the direct question. But indirect question is two-type indirect question, that is either Roman numerals given and you have to add. So how to add Roman numerals? First convert into Hindu Arabic. This one is 28, this one is 63. First add is you are getting 91. Now 91 you convert into Roman, that is xci. This is another type question. And one more type is this number is given, you have to convert into Hindu Arabic, that is Roman, and then subtract. So either add or subtract. This is the indirect question. But direct question is Hindu Arabic to Roman or Roman to Hindu Arabic. I think now understood. Now you have to practice this type of example, then you can understand it is more clearly. Thank you, children.